Probability of at most. In the last video, we saw the probability of something at least happening, like at least 3 out of 4 means 3 or more, in that case, 3 or 4. This problem, we're looking at most. Same problem with the foul shots, but this time it's at most 2 out of 4 shots. And so if you're making at most 2, what that means is you're making 2 or fewer. So the probabilities we need to look at is if you make 2 out of 4 shots or less, such as 1 out of 4 or even 0 out of 4. So we have 3 different exact probabilities we need to look at, and we're going to add their fractions or probabilities together. First, let's do probability of getting 2 out of 4. For all of these questions, there's 4 trials. It's the only thing that changes from the 3 problems is the success number. For the first one, we're looking for success of 2. Second one, a success of 1, and lastly, a success of 0. The probability of success for all of these is 2/5, and the probability for failure for all of them is also 3/5. And remember, that's on a single shot, and you were given that information in the problem. So let's put this all into the formula and see how it goes. So NCR would be 4C2 parentheses P, which is success of 2/5 raised to the second, and failure 3/5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4C2 is 6. I'm going to put it over 1, so multiplying fractions. 2/5 squared is 4/25, and 3/5 squared is 9/25. The top is all going to multiply to, I can always use my calculator if I am struggling with some of the multiplication, so I don't need to, because it's possible that I could make a mistake here. So I put 6 in parentheses times 4 divided by 25 in parentheses times 9 divided by 25 in parentheses, and it'll give me decimal, but I want a fraction, so I'll do math, enter, enter, and it tells me 216 over 625. 216 over 625. So that's the probability of making exactly 2 out of 4. Let's look at the probability of making exactly 1 out of 4. We have 4C1 times 2/5 to the first, 3/5 to the third, because 4 minus 1 is that last exponent, is 3. 4C1 is 4. 2/5 to the first is 2/5, and 3/5 cubed is 27 over 125. And again, I'll let my calculator do the work for me. 4 times, parentheses, 2/5. Oh, calculator didn't read one of those buttons I pushed. 2/5, parentheses, times, parentheses, 27 divided by 125. It's important to make sure you're careful when you input information into your calculator. Sometimes it misses something. And it looks like it's the same exact probability. 216 over 625. And the last one, 4C0 times 2/5 to the 0 times 3/5 to the fourth. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4C0 is 1. 2/5 to 0 is 1. And 3/5 to the fourth. So let's see, what's 3 to the fourth? Just want to check that. 3 to the fourth is 81, right? 81 over 625, and the whole thing is 81 over 625. And so I have to add these 3 fractions together. Again, I'll let my calculator do that for me. So parentheses, 216 divided by 625, parentheses, plus parentheses, 216 divided by 625 parentheses plus parentheses 81 divided by 625. And again, all those denominators are the same, so I know I'm on the right track. And if I hit enter, I get a decimal. Math enter, enter. We'll convert it to a fraction. 513 over 625. 513 over 625. Final answer.